Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to deposit right here on VT Markets. And if you want to do this, we go right in the top right here to deposit, and then he will send us to this page. Open a live account to access exciting trading tools, promotional activities and more. So we need to open a live account before we can deposit. So we click on open live account, and then he's telling us account opening verification, your basic information, trading account activation, and that I'm not verified. And if I'm verified, I can deposit right here to my account. So the first thing that you need to do is verify your account. Then after that, click right here in the top on deposit. And then on this page right here, you can deposit by filling in right there which bank you want to use, how much you want to deposit, and then do the following steps, and then you can deposit money right here to VT Markets. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.